Good morning, students. Today we'll be beginning quadratics. I would first like to begin by practicing a skill we've looked at before, multiplying binomials. This is when each term of the first binomial is going to get multiplied with each term of the second binomial. Okay. In order to make sure that we distribute all the terms, we use the acronym FOIL to help us get all the products. Take a look at the first problem in the warm-up. X plus 5 is multiplied with x plus 2. X times x is the first term of the first binomial being multiplied with the first term of the second binomial. That gives us the quadratic term. Stay with the x in the first term and distribute that to the 2 of the second term. When you multiply, it gives us 2x. Now we're done with this x. It's been distributed to both terms. So let's move to the next term. The 5 then gets distributed to the x. 5 times x is 5x. And last is the product of 5 times 2. In the second step, we combine like terms. There's the quadratic term. The linear terms are the ones that usually combine. 2x plus 5x is 7x. And we'll bring down the constant 10. And here we have our quadratic trinomial. Second example, m times m squared, m times negative 3. Make sure the negative sign is attached to the number. Negative 3m. Negative 7 times m is negative 7m. And negative 7 times negative 3 is a positive product. Negative times negative is always a positive. M squared, combine the like terms, negative 10m plus 21. In the third example, multiply the first terms, t squared, multiply the outside products, 2t, the inside products, negative 4t, and the product of the last terms, negative 2 times negative 4 times positive 2, negative 8. And as we've done with the previous examples, combine the two middle terms, which I call the linear terms. Final answer would be t squared minus 2t, because the larger term's negative, but you have to subtract the difference, minus 8. T squared minus 2t minus 8. I'll show you one more that's from the homework assignment. This one has a leading coefficient other than 1, but it's still the same process. 3n times n. 3 times 1 is 3. N times n is the quadratic n squared. 3n times 3, 9n. 2 times n is 2n. And 2 times 3 has a product of 6. 3n squared plus 11n plus 6. Give those binomials being multiplied a shot, and I'll send them in the Google Classroom attachment. Thanks, guys.